Hey guys, how's it going? We are out in Cedar Creek, right outside of Del Valley. We're about to showcase two beautiful properties out in the Cedar Creek, Del Valley area. New construction. And then what do we have here?
We have a beautiful, beautiful custom-built home, 2,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms. 4 bedrooms for all the familia, and you got 3 bathrooms, all the upgrades you want, the high ceilings, the stainless steel, the granite, the everything.
Guys, custom built home doesn't get any better than this. I'll tell you what, I've been selling homes for these guys for the last 5 years. This has got to be the best home that they've built. Again, sitting on almost an acre of land, 4 bedroom, 3 bath, 2-car garage. Let's see what we have. Beautiful. I mean, look. We start off with the knotty pine door.
Woo, look at that space.
That's right, that's right.
I love how tall the ceilings are. You get a real feel for just how much space you have out here. This is the best part about country living, and an acreage size lot like this, or almost an acre, just gives you that elbow room, and you can feel it throughout the whole house.
You can feel the volume. I mean, you got these vaulted ceilings, and they got that crown molding all throughout. I mean, you got that recessed light. Again, guys, custom built homes. If you're looking for something different, if you're looking for something that's unique, you gotta come out here, check these homes out. We're gonna be showcasing them in the next week. They're going on market here. And then show us a little bit about the kitchen.
Ladies, guys, you're gonna love this gourmet kitchen. It's open floor plan. It leads right into your family entertainment space. But look at that detail, this beautifully tiled backsplash on your oven and your stove range, and of course along your sink and your counter spaces. You've got the stainless steel appliances, the custom, not no cookie cutter cupboards here. You've got some custom cupboards and a beautiful off-white. All the counter space you ever need, with a great also right here. You can put your bar stools, you can do your homework, you can do your homeschooling, all right here, and you're still enjoying a great view.
And really get to see what these guys have done. Epoxy on the floor, full finish out of the garage. You've got 2 windows here. It's plumbed for a hot water softener. And guys, I just want to show you a little bit about the details. And these guys spared no expense into building this home. Let me show you this. Foam insulation. If my camera guy can get his shot of that, that's foam insulation. That's the newest type of insulation being used. Energy efficiency. I mean, this is going to make your house drum tight. You want to save money on your bills? Foam insulation is the way to go. Again, custom built, almost an acre of land. You got 3/4 of an acre here. You got 4 bedrooms, 3 full bath, a mudroom. Come out here, hang your coats, leave your shoes. You got a little bit more than just a closet for your washer dryer. You can fold your clothes, washer dryer connections. You have a utility room, not a utility closet. And this is what you get with that country living, with that space. You're gonna be able to do a little bit more with your home. And Elena, let's show them the bathroom.
You've got the spacious countertops. You've got the height of the bathroom again with the ceilings. And you've got a gorgeous walk-in closet that you can't live without. And look at this jetted tub for all those stressful days, a huge stand-in shower, and a very private bathroom. So this is a beautiful home. We want you to come out and see it. We want you to picture it and see it, walk it yourself. We're available, so please let us know when you'd like to come and walk this property.
So again, 4 bedroom, just saw the master. You've got bedroom number 3. Really good sized bedrooms. And look at these doors, guys. We're not looking at 8-foot doors. We're looking at 9-foot doors, right? Custom built home. Loving the trim work there, the baseboards. And let me show you the last bedroom here on the other side. The 4th bedroom, the other bath for your guests. People that are coming. And let me just show you, coming to visit. Let me just show you, save the best for last. Who wouldn't want to wake up with a cup of coffee and just enjoy this view, right? You're not looking at your neighbor's house. You're not looking at some railroad tracks. You're looking at some beautiful wooded area in the heart of Cedar Creek. And guys, just so you know, Cedar Creek has one of the lowest tax rates in and around the Austin area, which is why people are flocking out here. No HOA, so you want to bring some trailers out here, you want to park some cars out here, nobody's going to tell you what to do. And look at this patio. Goes on forever, and then you've got the sidewalk that brings it all in. Guys, this property is on sale, on market. If you want to view this property, give us a call today. Myself or a lender are available. My number is 512-784-0048. My colleague Elaine Rodriguez, 512-784-3277.
We want you to come see it because it's beautiful, it's a great price, and we want to share this home with you because our custom builders are very unique. They pay attention to all kinds of details that you're going to see for yourself when you walk the property. So come on out here, enjoy this great elbow room, 3/4 of an acre, custom built, brand new home.
Hey guys, we have the incentives. You want to call us, you want a good deal, you want some closing cost incentives, you can get them through us, with us. Give us a call today. We want to show you this home. We want to put you in your forever home.